Welcome to the setup video for how to set up Standup Alice inside of your Microsoft Teams channels. To start, navigate to the home page of standupalice.com. You can click on the Add to Microsoft Teams button here or click Login in the top right-hand corner. Standup Alice integrates with multiple platforms, but for the purpose of this video, we're going to be showing you how to add Standup Alice into Microsoft Teams. You can click on the Login with Microsoft Teams button here, or you can send a Standup Alice status in the channel that you would like her to work in. For the purpose of this video, we're going to click on the Login with Microsoft Teams. Here it is going to ask you to log in with your Microsoft account, and then it'll take you to the dashboard where you can manage the settings of each of your stand-ups. My other coworkers have set up stand-ups. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own. To do so, navigate over to Teams, which I have pulled up on my right-hand side of my screen. I'm going to click on the three buttons over here to search for apps, or if you're searching in the App Store, you can click on the plus button here. I'm going to click those three dots and type in Standup Alice and click Enter. I see that she's the cute little green bot and click Add. It's then going to ask you to add again. And now that she's been added successfully, you can choose the channel or the meeting that you would like her to help you with. If you don't see the channel listed here, you can click this View More and you'll see all of the channels or teams for which you are a part of. I specifically want help setting up the Marketing Daily Stand-Up. So I'm going to click here and click Go. Now that she's set up in the Daily Marketing Stand-Up channel, I'm going to do what the dashboard had suggested, which is to copy the Standup Alice and then turn the stand-up on. I'm going to go like that and click Post to the channel. Standup Alice will then pop up with the Standup Alice status, or to edit the settings, I'm going to click on this button. Again, it'll bring me back to the dashboard, which is seen over here. Now we can see that it has created a Marketing Daily Stand-Up overview, which is seen right here over on the main dashboard. This is the specific stand-up that I can edit from here. I can choose what people are a part of it, what questions I ask, the schedule, and how the questions are then reported back to me. I can also choose when Alice pops up and reminds people to send in their responses. So if I wanted to edit any of these, I would click the three dots up here and click Edit Settings. From here, I can choose who attends. I can edit the questions. I think these are perfect questions that I would like to ask, but if I wanted to add a new one, I can always click there. And to delete a question, just click that trash icon, or to edit it, you can change the question type. Alice is perfect for question-based agendas where you can choose how people are reporting to a certain question. So if you're wanting specific numbers when it comes to marketing or sales teams, you can click on number, predefined values, or just a random question. That can be pretty fun for trying to get to know a new team or for team camaraderie. You can choose the schedule of when and how it's sent with reminders inside of your Teams channel. And for advanced questions, you can choose whether or not you want to pause the stand-up. Alice is also great for asynchronous teams because she sends reminders to participants based on their time zones. And you can also choose how the questions that are responded to are reported inside of your specific channel or meeting. Once I've edited all of the settings that I want to edit, I click this button in the right-hand corner, Save. Now this has been saved, and I'm going to navigate back to my team channel. Now that I'm here, I'm going to go over to the chat and start up a conversation with Alice. Alice will automatically start a new conversation with me, but for the purpose of this video, I'll show you what it looks like. To start a chat with Alice, what you can type is hi and click Enter. Alice will then respond with what will you do today, which again is one of the questions that was predetermined in the Marketing Daily Stand-Up seen over here on the left-hand side of my screen. And then Alice will then go over to your Teams channel and then update with the stand-up update that I completed just barely talking with Alice. We hope that this video was helpful. If you do have any questions, please don't hesitate to navigate to your dashboard and click on support, or reach out to us on www.standupalice.com. Have a great day.